This can only be
African Entrepreneurship Academy is giving you a lifetime opportunity to achieve your dreams of becoming your own boss with a whopping 50% tuition fee scholarship. Take a course in communications and design for 6 months and be trained in web design, graphic design, video editing, photography, and digital marketing, and enjoy massive support packages like a laptop, 32 gig pen drive, 3 months free business services with Enterprise Bureau, web hosting space for 120 websites for 1 year. Admissions are open for April 2021 class with training centers available in Accra, Kumasi, and Tema, with weekdays and Saturday classes available to choose from. Pick a form at the AEA Center, La Paz, Wala Plaza, first floor, Akweteman, La Paz, off the La Paz Achimota N1 highway, or register online at www.aeaghana.com. Call us on 0555 563 655, or you can WhatsApp us on 0202 443 650. You can also send us a mail at info@aeaghana@gmail.com, or visit our website at aeaghana.com. African Entrepreneurship Academy, building Africa's entrepreneurial giant.